Look at me, Mom, I'm a YouTuber. Going to hang out with the boys, going to a park to rip and probably dive a tower and do some other sketchy stuff. I'm at the grocery store right now because we needed some stuff for some food later. It's gonna be a good day. I've got weed, I've got Coke, and we're gonna have fun.
ITBOY, BBNO $. That's me, that's right, that's me, that's right. I am HRM, the Gen Z Eminem. That's me, that's right, that's me, that's right, that's me. Damn right, baby, when it, boy, Jesus Christ, I bet on myself, I up my price, I kiss and I tell, I ain't got no type. 200K, got me jumping on stage, all white Benz, he be whipping mayonnaise. She looking at me, she wanna tight. Shawty got a boyfriend, get out my face. Hey, bitch, boy, on smoke it like endo, free throw, never catch me in a friend zone. Catch real green cheese pesto, eating her box like bento, memento. Tech keep bustin' like Pepsi, Mentos, fit all money, yeah, this ain't Kenzo.
I'm not nervous, you're nervous.
My legs were shaking last time I was here.
Dude, it's sketch.
My thing is I'm having signal issues.
I was good up there, dude.
Can I drive?
Which, I mean, I'm a watt and a half, but...
Can I drive? That was scary.
We wouldn't find a sketchy spot right next to, like, Broadway or anything, would we?
Is that a chair?
That is not a chair.
That is perfect.
Yeah, start it on the windshield like that. Be a hell of a takeoff angle.
An angle. Yeah.
Alright, how are you looking, Sam?
I'm still waiting for my camera to come in.
Dude, fucking digital. He takes like 45 minutes to get his shit up in the air.
Yeah, mine's good.
Alright, I'll get out of the way.
Is yours good?
I gotta turn the goggles on.
Here we go.
Why you?
Smooth.
Why you pretending like that's on?
Because I'm already down a bar.
Is that a GoPro?
I'm filming, genius.
Okay, baby!
This isn't sketch, being this close to a 5-inch as it... Oh, fucking Christ.
I mean, I was getting
Hey,
Yeah, look, they said that I couldn't do it, so I went and did it. W's only, you know I've been winning. Top of the world, the globe is spinning. If you know, I've been on a mission. Go. Okay, let's get it. Got a little time on my hands like a wristwatch. I don't got time for the brakes and the pit stop. Race through the gridlock, take it like Chris Rock. Right to the chin, still win. Heavy metals like Slipknot. Got the driving, I got tunnel vision. I just hit my stride the way I run the business. I've been making paper like I'm Dunder Mifflin. See the end game, I got one division. Look, I don't ever bother with a critic. Hit him with a chronicle of Riddick. Boom, bottle full of Ritalin. I hit him with a little bit of riddle me this, riddle me that. My bad, fell asleep at the gas. No time to wait though. Elon Musk, I'm trying to bankroll. New Tesla just cause I say so. Electric whip like Ivan Vanko. I just did it. W's only, you know I've been winning. Top of the world, the globe is spinning. If you know, I've been on a mission. Okay, let's get it.
I've been on a mission like totally spice. I'm my baddie, she bad, but she totally nice. Still so blue en haar toes wil ik white. Ik compie niet met jou, dat is over mijn lijk. He do it for sure, but he left with a why. Yeah, we live, but we destined to die. And you say it on me, but I'm in a lie. I'm a lie en ik voel me net Memphis de paai. En ik jag op de koet in de scene. Moest eigenlijk rennen, we lopen misschien. En ik wil niet eens kijken, mijn ogen die zien. Is er niet genoeg dat ik kopen we 10. Proef in een bean. Hier co-star. I got 5 on my name, I got no star. Come to me just to see how my shoes are.
They said that I couldn't do it, so I went and did it. W's only, you know I've been winning. Top of the world, the globe is spinning. If you know, I've been on a mission. Go. Okay, let's get it.
All right, this spot's cool, but there's a lot of people. So we're gonna switch it up a little bit and move on to a new location. A Bando, as they call it. Let me go ahead and lead the way here. Cool spot, a little sketchy. Still gonna send it. Crotch cam. Crotch cam. Everybody loves a good crotch cam.
Jordan Bell, third. Jordan Bell, third. Yo, 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 yo. I've been getting dirty money, Jordan Bell, third. Stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds. Sipping on Ciroc, trip 'em up with the words. I done popped the Molly and I think it's be my third. Jordan Bell, third. Jordan Bell, third. I've been getting dirty money, Jordan Bell, third. Stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds. I just flipped a birdie, money so dirty. Got my bitch a mink, furry like Furby. I came up, made a million, spin it on a rolling. I'm stacking good, feta cheese and ravioli. Or maybe fettuccine, dirty martini. I'ma fuck your bitch, call me Houdini. I'm driving Lamborghini, oh, in a bikini. 8 bottles to the neck, 3 wishes from a genie. Benjamin ain't dirty, but these Franklins, they built it. Always go to court, but I'm never pleading guilty. Ballin' so hard, I only be slam dunking. Be steady rockin', the trunk straight thumping. I be riding foreign, pouring Merlot while I swerve. Pedal to the metal, and I'm whipping around the curve. And I'm rolling out this marijuana, you can smell the herb. And I'm getting all this lettuce, I ain't talking iceberg. I've been getting dirty money, Jordan Bell, third. Stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds. Sipping on Ciroc, trip 'em up with the words. I done popped the Molly and I think it's be my third. Jordan Bell, third. Jordan Bell, third. I've been getting dirty money, Jordan Bell, third. Stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds.
Jordan Belfort, Burberry shirt, LV loafers on my sofa in Bel Air, turning up daily, cause we can't turn down at work. I've been lighting loud lately, like my volume just don't work, and my cologne is Versace. Medusa got me stoned, I'm always signing something, but I usually like to smoke. We've been long time friends, me and Ben Frank. Every fucking day he needs a ride from the bank. Motherfucker, you don't know me, you ain't in my tax section. My wallet ain't bad, it's in GM straight flexing. I don't call your bitch back and she checking her reception. Bitch with double D's, she's all up on my erection. And I'm in the ovaries, but I ain't about affection. So easily to sober me, just smokes and never forgets them. Sometimes this life seems a little stressful, especially when they tell me that I ain't something special.
I've been getting dirty money, Jordan Bell, third. Stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds. Sipping on Ciroc, trip 'em up with the words. I done popped the Molly and I think it's be my third. Jordan Bell, third. Jordan Bell, third. I've been getting dirty money, Jordan Bell, third. Stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds. Jordan Bell, third.
Well, that's the spot. The fucking Bando. Not Brando. I mean Brando to us. It's a cool spot. Sick little rips. What am I recording? That's all we got really. Everybody's broke everything. Mark broke his. I didn't break anything. I crashed my Grinderino yesterday, so I didn't get to fly it at all. Y'all are gonna get some tasty GoPro shots today. Shout out Mark for 3D printing me this GoPro mount. So now the DEMIBOT is my film rig once again, and we're gonna be able to get out and do some more cool shit, like actually keep up with those RC boats. Because I've got, thanks Sam also for this Foxeer Razor camera. This thing, man, I keep getting cool shit, guys. I don't know what to do with it. I suck. I don't know why I'm using all this cool shit, but hey, I got cool shit, so I'm gonna keep taking it. Yeah, thanks Sam for the camera. Thanks Mark for the fucking 3D printed GoPro mount. Thanks Hunter for the beef and the fucking buns. We made some baller ass burgers out here. I didn't get any video of that because I was too busy putting it in my gullet. Had a good turnout, man. Thanks to everybody that came out. We're gonna try to get some more group events going on. Try to get more people together and really build a freestyle community around Kansas City. Because like there's the race guys, and that's cool. But we need more Bando bashers like us getting out doing the real cool shit. But if you're in the KC area and you want to fucking rip, hit me up. Let's rip. Let's do it. I'm down no matter what. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and take my ass back to the house, get to editing some video, and try to have this out this week because I've been slacking here lately. Y'all take it easy.